believing in things proportionate to the information that I receive. So, um, I mean, I guess I have sort of a physics view of reality, which is, you know, uh, I guess I'm trying to understand the universe as much as possible to understand what's going on. I'm certainly open to the idea of God, and if you say like, well, where did the universe come from? How is it created? Um, what I suppose there would be some entity that you could call God. That would, I don't know. But that's a separate question from, say, is there some entity that is observing our daily actions and
Yeah.
rendering a moral verdict on what we do from day to day? Um, that doesn't appear to be the case, because at least there's some very evil things that happen in the world, and if there's someone observing us on a moral basis continually, then it does seem odd that some very evil things are allowed to occur. Um, but maybe that is the case. I don't know. I try to form my opinions based on what I learn, and as I learn more, I aspire to change my views to match what I learn.
Yeah, same here. To be honest, I'm still on a search. I don't know what to believe. So it's called maybe a agnostic. And but it's very interesting to see how the world and also the universe evolved. It was incredibly interesting to listen to your visions. It's
Yeah.
quite a vision for every one of us.
Yeah, I would say that what I have is a philosophy of curiosity. So I'm curious about the nature of the universe, and I would say I subscribe to the Douglas Adams school of philosophy that was described in the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Um, you know, uh, and in that book, the Earth was sort of a giant computer that was trying to answer the question, "What is the meaning of life?" And then it comes back with 42, and they're like, "What does 42 mean?" And it's actually the answer is the easy part, and the question is the hard part. So that was actually quite an illuminating thing for me, because I had sort of an existential crisis when I was, I don't know, 12 or 13, about the meaning of life. And I read many of the religious texts and the books on philosophy. It's like reading Schopenhauer, Nietzsche, and whatnot, which is a bit depressing.